So we're going to do a review of the Lefree Expandable Garden Hose. This is the box here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And let's see here, lifetime warranty. Some tape, I guess. More education. And the garden hose right here. Looks like it's made of plastic. The handle is all plastic too, there's no rubber or anything. And you have the adjustable different sequences. Okay, so they include also the rack to help hang it, and looks like some rubber stuff. But this isn't right here. It's a little bit different. So you see here I have a expandable cloth hose, and this one is more of an expandable rubber hose. So it is different. They at least did a good job on the metal pieces here. You see for mine that I won before, it's rubber. This is all metal. So let's try it out. So we have it hooked up and on. So far so good, no leaks or anything on this one. I didn't put too much water in there. This is the flat, but I guess if there's not as much water pressure, it's not too well.